So, hi everyone. Today I am in the Leela Palace, Delhi. Okay. So it is a very beautiful palace, and I'm here because there is a exhibition today and tomorrow. So that's why I am here. So I am in now a cafe. Now I don't know which is the cafe. Okay. And here is my bade papa, my dadu. See, okay. So here is the cafe. There it is, Cafe Kunos. Okay. So let's get in. Okay. Okay. Now I am in the Cafe Kunos. Okay. So these are the funny lava. Okay. Where is the food? Where is the food? Yes. It is a dinner. So I think we should not eat here. Okay. So this is we are asking for snacks. We are asking for snacks, but we can wait for 2 minutes. So till then, I will show the tour. Okay. Whoo. So I am back walking. That was good, right? So we can get the 5 special chicken. Anything you can eat. Yes. Just a second, my dadu is calling me. How can you Barapa? You. Okay, so we are seated. Okay, we are now seated. Okay, so menu is coming and we will see that it is our meal to eat or not. स्नैक्स होंगे ना, डिनर थोड़ी ना होगा. No, I was saying that there was only not dinner, right? We will eat snacks because the time is not yet of dinner time. So that's it's snacks time. So we will eat snacks. So let's see if it is me or we, and so we can eat it. Okay, so I'm seeing the table. These are the vegetable flowers. These are the salt and pepper. Okay, I don't know what are salt and pepper. I think this is pepper, or it is salt, or it is salt, or it is pepper. I don't know.
अरे भाई जो जल्दी का सौदा बता दे क्या चीज़ आ सकती है. अरे स्नैक्स में हल्का फुल्का बता दे इसको क्या खाएगा ये. सर आप देखिए मैं नहीं करता.
दिखाओ.
सर को दिखाइए. तू देख ले भाई. मैंने तो खाना है. इसके तेरे मतलब को जो मम्मा से पूछ ले.
ओके. सो
लगे मैं पकड़ लेता हूँ. पास्ता करवा दूँ.
पास्ता कौन से हैं?
वाइट सॉस है, रेड सॉस है.
अच्छा, वाइट सॉस एक और वाइट सॉस और ऑलिव्स नहीं.
ठीक है.
और अनियंस डाल दो.
अनियंस डाल दूँ.
हाँ, मतलब अनियंस अगर होंगे और कॉर्न्स भी.
ठीक है.
पर ऑलिव नहीं डालने.
ठीक है. जस्ट एक वाइट सॉस
हैं? वाइट और वाइट.
सर आपके लिए टी कॉफी नहीं, बस इसको दे दे भाई तुम.
ओके.
ठीक है क्या? हाँ जी सर.
ओके, सो आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड अ पास्ता ऑर्डर करें.
ये मांग रहा भैया. ये हाँ जी सर. ये वाला चीज़ कह रहा है. ये सर ये मांग रहे हैं. हाँ जी ये वाला समझ गए ना आप. हाँ जी बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल मैं समझ गया. हैं इसके हिसाब से ला दे. ठीक है सर बिल्कुल.
पर स्पाइसी नहीं बिल्कुल.
हाँ बिल्कुल स्पाइसी नहीं होगा सर. जल्दी कर देना.
ओके, सो now the menu is ordered. Okay, so it will be delicious, I think. So let's.
देना. जितना खाए खा लेंगे, बाकी पैक करा लेंगे, मम्मा दे देंगे.
सो आप भी खा लोगे ना अगर प्याज होंगे तो.
नहीं मैं नहीं खाता, मेरा कोई इच्छा नहीं है.
Okay, I was saying that in Hindi that if it would be onions, so you can eat it because I think it is Navratri time, so
तो तुम परिवार में डाल देना.
he will not eat. Okay, that is a funny face. Can you make it? Okay, so I will show you this restaurant. Okay, sheep, inside, outside. I would be outside. Just a second.
और देख.
See this. See. ठीक है. Yo. How much time will it take? How much time will it take? So I will show you this restaurant to you. Okay. So, see. These are the different color of plants. It is not that much night that it would be dinner here. So they are empty. So we have ordered snack up. We have ordered a pasta without olives and onions. But no, not without onions. If there would be no onions, there is no mean to eat pasta. These are the ice creams. Blub. This is a chair number for it. Okay. What is the chair number of this? In this there is not written the chair number. Okay. This is 60. This is 60. This is 60. It is not 06 because it is a phone. I am making a video from a phone, so it would be mirrored. So you will think that it is 106, but it is 60. Okay. So what can I show you now? Because the order is taking not so much time. We have ordered just now, but I am uploading a video on YouTube, so it should be not boring, right? So this is a very different kind of statue. Okay, see, this is a beautiful statue. Okay, what is it? Peter Better than Lavange. What is this? What is this? I don't know. Face masks are mandatory in this zone because face masks are very important due to this COVID time. So these are, I don't know. It is so much heavy. So I think in this we can put things around it. There it would be. This would be a dahi valla. Oh, now I understand it. There would be यहाँ पर चिप्स लग जाएंगी और वहाँ पर पेपर लग जाएंगे क्योंकि यहाँ पर क्या है. That's why this is a line of a hole. See. Okay. Okay. See, this is like this. I got an idea from it. This is the Iballa. Got an idea from it. Because down its side there is a silver waste. I don't know what is the waste. Here would be a curd rice because there is a chip of a curd rice. So okay. It is a very huge pineapple. It's very, very huge. Okay. Can you eat it? If you can eat it, I will be crazy. See this pineapple. So big pineapple. So much big pineapple. So big much pineapple. So can I tell a joke to you? Okay, the joke is one time a child eats a chewing gum and then the chewing gum gets in down, okay, and then and then he wants to pick up and eat one more time, but he said, his father said, no, it is dirty one. Okay, and then one time his mother, father, and he traveled in a scooter, and his mother fall down from the scooter. Okay, and then his mother fall down, and then his father said, pick her up. So he said that no, she is dirty. Okay, that's a funny joke, right? That's a very funny joke. Okay, so bye everyone. This is the part 1 of the Leela Palace Hotel, and part 2 will be very soon incoming. Okay, bye everyone, and one more time in the part 2 highway. Bye.